The Sri Lankan Navy has arrested 13 more Indian fishermen and seized 2 fishing trawlers for allegedly poaching in the country's territorial waters, taking the number of Indians apprehended in the last 3 days to 68. 13 fishermen were arrested on Monday night and 55 fishermen were apprehended in 2 separate incidents over the weekend.
The Sri Lankan Navy arrested 13 more Indian fishermen and seized 2 fishing trawlers for allegedly poaching in the country's territorial waters, taking the number of Indians apprehended in the last 3 days to 68, an official statement said on Monday. According to the Sri Lankan Navy statement, 2 Indian fishing trawlers with 13 Indian fishermen aboard were apprehended during a special operation conducted in the seas west of the Analithivu Island on Monday night. So far, 10 Indian fishing trawlers and 68 Indian fishermen were taken into naval custody during such operations in the Northern and North Central Naval Commands on the 18th, 19th and 20th December, it said. Arrangements are being made to hand them over to relevant authorities for legal action after rapid antigen tests of the apprehended Indian fishermen. Fishermen from both countries are arrested frequently for inadvertently trespassing into each other's waters. The fisherman issue has become a major irritant in bilateral ties. Meanwhile, protesting against the arrest of fishermen by the Sri Lankan Navy, more than 200 fishermen staged a demonstration in India's southern Rameswaram on Monday, pressing for their quick release. The fishermen have warned to intensify their protest if the Sri Lankan government failed to release the arrested fishermen. Meanwhile, reports have surfaced that the Tamil Nadu government has been asked by Foreign Ministry to submit a list of probable participants from the fishing community in the state and tentative dates for the proposed talks between its fisher folk and that of the northern province in Sri Lanka.